Hello guys, and welcome back again to another WordPress tutorial. In this video I will show you how to delete themes using WordPress. So first of all, make sure that you are on the dashboard by going to wordpress.com/wp-admin. After you do so, this page will be loaded for you. If you don't know how it looks like at the beginning, it will look like something like that. After that, you click on here, you put your username or email address and then password, which will be something you have created or received in your email address. So click in here, and just like I said, this page will be opened. What you have to do now is go to your template or go to appearance. If you have Elementor, you go to templates. If you don't have Elementor, you go to appearance. For us, we will stick with the appearance section. So what you have to do now, let's add a new theme, which will be something like this, I think. Let's add, for example, this one. Now let's wait a little bit until it's be downloaded fully. So let's wait until it's fully downloaded. Okay, now it's downloaded. Now let's activate it, for example, and let's see the difference. Okay, I have glitch, I guess. Okay, I didn't glitch it. So that's how the theme actually looks like. For example, you didn't like it and you want to delete it or do something else. What you have to do, go back to your dashboard, and from here you go ahead and open the appearance and go to themes. From here you will find all of these themes that we talked about, even this one that you are currently using. Let's go back. Sorry. Okay, as you can see here, you can click on it, see the details about this theme, and you can switch between them. So from here, guys, as you can see, to delete one of these, you have to click on one of them. For example, let's delete this one, and you click on here, delete. So that's how you can actually delete a theme from your WordPress and make a space inside your website. So thank you guys for watching, and see you next tutorial. Bye bye.